Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in the Brave browser. If Brave browser is slow or websites are not loading properly, clearing cache can fix it. To clear cache on Brave browser, first open it. After that, click on this one menu icon and then select settings in the drop down menu. After that, click on privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find delete browsing data. Click on this one option. Now under basic, you can select time range from last hour to all time. To clear all the cache, select all times. Then you need to check this one option, cached images and files. You can check or uncheck other options according to your choice. After checking this one option, cached images and files, click on this one delete data button. That's it. Brave will erase all the cache from your browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.